Organizations rely on real-time data to monitor operations, track performance, and make informed decisions. A centralized dashboard makes complex data easier to understand and act upon. Data is often spread across multiple systems, making it difficult to gain a unified view of business and operational performance. Manual reporting can be slow, inconsistent, and inefficient. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed customized Grafana dashboards that consolidate data from multiple sources into a single, real-time monitoring platform. The platform integrates data from databases, APIs, and monitoring tools, processes key metrics, and presents them through interactive Grafana dashboards. Users can visualize trends, monitor KPIs, and receive real-time alerts for critical events. Key features include custom Grafana dashboards, real-time data visualization, multi-source data integration, interactive KPI monitoring, automated alerts and notifications, scalable analytics platform. The solution improves operational visibility, accelerates decision-making, reduces manual reporting, and enables teams to monitor business performance with confidence.